Welcome everyone to the December edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and a lot going on, end of the year, so that means we got to do a lot of things before the year finishes out. So I just want to remind you to do a couple things, and I'm sure there's more, but top of mind for me is Roth conversions, right? If you want to do those Roth conversions, have to be done by the end of the year. That's moving money from tax-deferred IRAs into Roth conversions, paying the taxes. 401k contributions, have to max those out, right? They're not like IRAs that go into April. 401ks got to be maxed out. And then tax loss harvesting, right? Taking your capital gains losses and getting those done. All right, so check those out, very, very important. The whiteboard of the month is things to consider when you're leaving the railroad, right? There's a lot of different issues that you want to think about. It's not apples to apples when you leave the railroad, right? So you want to make sure how much is that annuity factoring into your retirement. Check out that video. It received a lot of attention this month. My mailbag of the month is, will my wife lose her tier 2 in railroad retirement, right? A lot of concern always about that current connection when I leave the railroad. Survivor annuity, all that stuff's addressed inside that video, so check that one out, which is great stuff. New year 2023, so I put a checklist in there on important numbers to know for the new year, right? Work deductions, IRA limits, all those type of things that you want. So print that out actually and just save that, put that somewhere because it's very, very important. Then finally, it's my economic chart is on bear markets and the recession, right? Everybody always thinks that when the stock market goes down into a bear market, there's a recession follows. It's not always necessary. It doesn't always happen. So check out that chart just to see about that. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I hope everybody had a great year. Looking forward to talking to a lot of you in the new year. Enjoy your holiday season. Until next time, everybody, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.